Nagbabala si US President Donald Trump sa Hamas na mag-disarma na bago pa lumala ang sitwasyon. Parte ito ng kasunduan para umalis na ang mga tropa ng Israel sa Gaza. Kahit may ceasefire, mahigit 400 na Palestinian ang napatay sa Gaza dahil sa pag-atake ng Israel. 3 sundalo ng Israel naman ang napatay.
Well, we talked about Hamas and we talked about disarmament, and they're going to be given a very short period of time to disarm, and we'll see how that works out. Steve Witkoff and Jared Kushner will be in charge of that from our side, but if they don't disarm as they agreed to do, they agreed to it, and then they'll be held to pay for them, and we don't want that. We're not looking for that, but they have to disarm within a fairly short period of time.